Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change a lock screen wallpaper in Samsung Galaxy S22. Right now we have the same wallpaper on our home screen and on our lock screen. How to change it? We need to go to Settings and Lock Screen, and here we have lock screen options. So let's change our wallpaper, for example, to a purple one, and done. And let's see, as you can see, we have a blue wallpaper and purple lock screen, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.